Stop. Right now, look at the device in your hand. Do you own it or does it own you? Your brain is under attack. Every swipe, every notification, every like is a targeted strike on your potential. You feel it, don't you? That constant itch to check your phone for no reason. That hollow feeling in your chest after scrolling for 3 hours. You're not tired from working too hard. You're exhausted from doing nothing at all. You're drowning in a sea of cheap pleasure. And the worst part? You've started to enjoy the drowning. Today, we pull you out. Today, we kill the version of you that is a slave to a silicon chip. This is not a feel-good video. This is a surgical operation for your mind. If you can't finish this video, you've already lost the war. Stay with me or stay a slave. Choice is yours. You are currently a victim of biological warfare. The engineers in Silicon Valley know your brain better than you do. They use colors, sounds, and variable rewards to keep you hooked. They profit from your lack of focus. Your distraction is their revenue. Your mediocrity is their success. Wake up to the reality of your digital cage. The bars are invisible, but they are stronger than steel. They are made of dopamine and algorithms. Look at your life. Is this really the best you can do? Let's talk about dopamine. Most people think dopamine is about pleasure. They are wrong. Dopamine is the molecule of more. It is the chemical of anticipation. It's not the reward itself, but the promise of a reward. When you scroll through social media, you aren't looking for something good. You are looking for the possibility of something good. This is the slot machine effect. And your brain is the gambler that never leaves the table. Every time you get a hit of cheap dopamine, your brain adapts. It's called downregulation. Your brain realizes there is too much stimulation, so it shuts down your receptors. It raises the bar for what it takes to feel normal. This is why reading a book feels like a chore. This is why working on your business feels like torture. Compared to the neon lights of the digital world, reality looks gray. You aren't depressed. You are overstimulated. You've fried your neural pathways with garbage. Think about your ancestors. For them, dopamine was a survival tool. It pushed them to hunt, to gather, to build. High effort, high reward. But you get the reward without the effort. You get the sugar without the hunt. You get the social validation without the community. You've hacked the system. And now the system is broken. Your brain doesn't see a reason to work for anything anymore. Why spend 10 hours studying when you can get the same dopamine in 10 seconds? This is the death of ambition. This is how a civilization of lions becomes a herd of sheep. You are trading your destiny for a digital hit. The baseline of your happiness is shifting. You are living in a biological deficit. Every high has a corresponding low. This is the pain-pleasure balance. When you tip the scale toward pleasure, the brain tips it back toward pain. This is why you feel miserable after a binge. You are paying a price you can't afford. You are mortgaging your future, and the interest rate is your soul. Look at your focus. It's fragmented. It's broken into 1,000 tiny pieces. You can't even sit still for 5 minutes. Your ability to think deeply is disappearing. Your attention span is shorter than a goldfish's. This is not evolution, it's erosion. The elite want you this way: distracted, compliant, and consuming. They want you addicted to the screen so they can control the narrative. Are you a player in the game, or are you the prize? Currently, you are the product being sold: your data, your time, your life. It's time to stop the leak. It's time to plug the holes in your spirit. It's time to reclaim the fire. You have a mountain to climb, but you are trying to climb it with a 100-pound weight of addiction. Drop the weight. Feel the weight of your missed opportunities. Think of the person you could have been by now. That person is a ghost haunting your current self. It's not too late, but the window is closing. Let's enter part 3. Comfort is a slow poison. You think you are relaxing, but relaxation without prior exertion is just decay. Look at the people around you. Everyone is looking down. Everyone is waiting for the next notification. They are ghosts in a machine. Do you want to be one of them? Success requires a focused mind. Greatness requires a high tolerance for boredom. but you have zero tolerance. 5 seconds of silence and you reach for your pocket. You are terrified of your own thoughts because in the silence, you realize how far behind you are. You use digital noise to drown out the voice of your failure, but the noise won't save you. It only delays the inevitable. One day, you will wake up at 40 or 50 or 60, and you will realize you spent your entire life watching other people live theirs. That is the definition of hell. To meet the person you could have been on your deathbed, knowing you chose a screen over your potential. Your potential is crying out. It is suffocating under layers of dopamine. Every notification is a nail in its coffin. Stop being a spectator. Stop being a fan. Start being a creator. The world doesn't need more consumers. It needs leaders. It needs people who can think for themselves. It needs people who aren't afraid of the dark. The digital world is a playground for children. Real life is a battlefield for adults. Choose which one you want to inhabit. Your brain is a supercomputer, but you are using it to run mindless apps. You are using a Ferrari to deliver groceries. Unlock the power, clean the lens, clear the static. You need a hard reset. This is about biological dignity. Reclaiming your status as a sentient being, not a data point, not a statistic. Feel the anger. Let it fuel you. Anger at the time wasted. Anger at the potential lost. Now use that energy. Let's build the protocol. Part 4, the reset protocol. It's called a dopamine detox, but I prefer to call it neural recalibration. We are going to reset your reward system. We are going to make the hard things easy again. This is how you do it. Step 1, identify the leeches. What are the activities that give you high dopamine with zero effort? Social media, video games, junk food, adult content. Write them down. These are the enemies. They are thieves of time. Step 2, hard isolation. For the next 14 days, you are going to starve these enemies. No, not 24 hours. 24 hours is a break. 14 days is a transformation. You need to give your receptors time to grow back. It will be painful. On day 3, you will want to quit. Your brain will scream for a hit. It will tell you that you are missing out on something important. You aren't. The only thing you are missing is your potential. Step 3, embrace the boredom. Boredom is the space where creativity is born. Boredom is the foundation of discipline. If you are bored, sit with it. Look at a wall. Go for a walk without headphones. Let your mind wander. At first, it will be chaotic, but slowly the dust will settle. You will start to notice things you haven't seen in years. The color of the leaves, the sound of your own breath, the clarity of a single thought. Step 4, rebuild with purpose. Fill the void with high-effort, high-reward activities. Read a book that challenges you. Lift heavy weights until your muscles burn. Learn a skill that you can actually use. Cook a healthy meal from scratch. These things are hard, but after 7 days of detox, they won't feel so hard anymore because your brain is starving for any stimulation. You will find joy in the effort. You will find vitality in the struggle. This is the secret of the world's most successful people. They don't have more willpower than you. They have a cleaner reward system. They enjoy the work because their brain hasn't been hijacked by TikTok. Clean your environment. Remove the friction for good habits. Increase the friction for bad ones. Put your phone in a time lock box. Sleep is your superpower. No screens 2 hours before bed. Let your brain heal in the dark. Wake up with a mission. You are a warrior in training. Treat your mind like a temple, not a trash can. Every choice is a vote for the person you want to become. The first 48 hours are the hardest. Expect the withdrawal. Expect the irritability. It's just the addiction leaving the body. Stay the course. Do not negotiate with your weakness. Your lizard brain will try to bargain. Do not listen. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Without it, you are just a dreamer. With it, you are a builder. Look at the progress. Even small wins count. Reading 10 pages, doing 20 push-ups, sitting in silence for 10 minutes. You are building momentum. Momentum is the most powerful force in the universe. Once it starts, it's hard to stop. Keep going. 14 days is just the beginning. It's a lifestyle shift, a permanent change in your neural architecture. Welcome to Part 5, the rise of the rewired mind. You are reaching the end of this message. Most people have already clicked away, but you are still here. That means there is still a spark left in you. It means the slave hasn't completely taken over. Don't let this be just another video you watch. Don't say, "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow is the graveyard of dreams. Start now. Delete the apps. Turn off the notifications. Put your phone in another room. Reclaim your throne. Imagine who you could be in 1 year if you mastered your attention. Imagine the power of a focused mind. You would be unstoppable. You would be a predator in a world of prey. The 14-day reset starts today. Welcome to the era of discipline. Welcome back to life. This is your rebirth. Go get it. Your destiny is waiting. Stop watching. Start living. End of transmission.